Okay, so at this point, we have both of these locomotives hooked up via DCC on two separate addresses. And I've actually got it wired into two separate control systems. So here's, if you've seen my last video, here is the Arduino and motor controller that generate the DCC signal. It's hooked up via alligator clips at the moment to this original controller, which has a potentiometer hooked up to the swing arm here. And then we've got my computer, which when I press different keys, sends different signals down the track. Okay, so at this point both of the locomotives are at pretty much the ideal temperature. I mean, I can still turn the boilers on and off independently, so I can have a little bit finer control, but I haven't fully implemented that as neatly as I'd like. So to start off, double heading these two, I generally try and give the front locomotive just a little bit of a push so you can tell that it's taut. So there we go. So that's trying to pull. And then we give the rear locomotive a little bit. Come on, you got it. There we go. Going a little bit quick. I stopped it. So I usually use the rear locomotive to do most of the controlling and keep a nice steady pressure on the front end. There we go. And we're going again. Some of the wheels on my coaches are a little bit melted, so you might hear a bit of a flat spot here and there. Some of this stuff gets a little bit toasty because we're running at about 250 watts if this meter's correct, which is kind of ridiculous for any sort of model train setup. But overall, double heading works pretty well. Biggest concern is, again, melting tracks. I've spent a little bit of time reinforcing some of the connections to different areas of the layout. But overall it would seriously benefit from soldering every couple feet a fairly heavy gauge wire. But I'm going to stop it up here. Let's see if I can... There we go. And that was double heading two live steam locomotives. See you next time.